Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video we'll talk about snippets in Visual Studio Code. So in my previous videos you might have seen I might be using console log or any statement multiple times. So snippet is a way of providing some kind of shortcuts which can be used throughout your coding, and these shortcuts can be written n number of times. So whenever the particular shortcut is used, the snippet is executed for the particular code that is writing, and the particular line is written over there. So I'll show you now. So for example, let's say if I want to print something over here with console log, so I'll just write console.log and I will say, let's say hello world, and I will save it. So now over here, let's say if I'm writing 100 times, so let's say I want to write something else, so I will say console log again. So this is time consuming, right? To avoid this, we can have something called a snippet. So if I go to my code preference and I go to user snippets, you can see there are some default snippet templates present already over here. So I will create a new one. So I will say new global snippet file, and I will say, as of now, let's say console log. Hit enter. You can see this particular file is already opened over here, and there are some details present over here which we can read. Place your global snippet over here. Each snippet is defined under snippet name and has a scope, prefix, body and description. And this is an example over here. So you can see something like this here. So if I uncomment this, so you can see this is something that is already present here. So they already have a format and an example over here. And I have saved this. You can see Prettier has already started working and it has make a change over here. So with this, you can see this is the particular name of the snippet, so that is print to console. The scope, it is for JavaScript and TypeScript, using only for JavaScript as of now, so we can remove it. The prefix, which means the shortcut over here, so you can say, let's say we can keep it log only as of now, and then we can just remove some of the parameters over here, that is this. Okay, so there was some issue which I was missing. Yes. So now what we are doing here is, like, we've created a snippet over here with a prefix called log. So whenever we're typing a log, this particular body will be executed. So we can see this thing coming up in your script. So for example, if I'm going back to my console print, and if I say, let's say log, and I'll go out here, and you can see it is coming back here. So now what is happening is, so whenever I'm typing the prefix, that is log in our case, we are getting some recommendations over here which says log output to console, and yes, this is the one that is coming up from snippet. If I click on this, and it is getting printed over here, or it is getting pasted over here, the entire line of code. So this is how we can use a snippet. We can have multiple ways of doing it. So we can write some other snippet over here as well under this, and it will work accordingly. So for example, if I want to write one more thing here, I will say, like, declare a variable, and let's say I'll say declare, and I will say, let's say const val equals to 5, something like this. If I save it here, if I go back to my JavaScript file, and if I say the prefix, and the prefix was DEC, so if I say DEC, and you can see it is coming here from this particular file, and you can see the description also. So the description is not changed, so I will say declare a variable, save it, and go back here. I will type this DEC, and you can see, yes, this is coming up from a snippet, and that particular line is pasted over here, and you can save it. So this is a way of using snippet in your Visual Studio Code. It is of very use if you're doing coding, and you can just save some snippets over here and can be used in your day-to-day activity. So thanks a lot for watching my video. Please do like, subscribe my channel, and hit the bell icon for more updates. Thank you. Bye bye.